It's a glorious autumn day here in southeast Queensland. The sun is shining, the weather is calm, and I have a feeling it might be a good day to see some birds. So let's keep our ears and our eyes open. There's a Willy Wagtail singing a little song for us. Do you recognize this one? It's the laughing Kookaburra. And this cute little one is a red-browed finch. We're walking in a dry sclerophyll forest, which is dominated by gum trees, also known as eucalyptus trees. There are over 800 species of gum trees in Australia. You can divide them in groups based on the type of bark. Well known are the smooth bark, stringy bark and iron bark trees. Today I'd like to show you a half bark. The lower part of the tree has a rough, scaly bark, and when you look up, you can see that only the upper part sheds its bark to reveal a smooth trunk. This bird is a black-faced Cuckoo-shrike. Look at this little skink. It is very common in the bush as well as in urban landscapes. It's only small, totaling 12 centimeters from head to tail. It is called a wall skink because it prefers to sit on vertical surfaces like rock faces, tree trunks and walls. On the path I find this dragonfly. It's a black-faced percher. Another finch. This pretty bird is called a double-barred finch. It's feasting on the grass seeds. The peaceful dove is only a small dove. You can recognize it by the pretty light blue ring around the eye. It really is turning out to be a good birdwatching day. Very exciting. We're almost at the end of our walk, and this beautiful grey butcherbird is seeing us out of the forest. I think butcherbirds are very handsome birds, don't you? On the grass we find this Australian magpie. He's a fair bit larger than the butcherbird. We're finishing up with these amazing masked lapwings. If you enjoyed this walk, subscribe to my channel for more and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed the most. I'd love to hear from you, and I hope to see you again on the next walk.